Hello, my sewing friends. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm Jen, and I have quickly ducked in here to the sewing room to let you know that I appreciate you. Today is Thanksgiving in the US, and we eat too much turkey and other various and sundry things. Pumpkin pie, that's where all that pumpkin spice stuff comes from. And we just take a moment to be thankful. And I'm really grateful for all of you. I'm really grateful that I have this thing in my life where I can connect to so many people. I connect with people on Facebook a little bit and on Instagram somewhat, but really here on YouTube is where I have developed the most relationships with those of you who come back video after video after video and talk with me in comments. I love that. I love being able to call some of you friends just because I've met you through the videos where you talk to me. It is a very precious thing to me to have those relationships because I don't have a lot of people in my real life that I can talk to about sewing. I have friends that I've met through YouTube who I talk with on Tuesday nights. We all congregate on a Zoom call and we just sew. But, you know, there is just no substitute for the people that I've met here on YouTube and those of you that I get to talk to each week. So I just wanted to let you know that I'm really, really grateful for you. I will share with you quickly two things, and then I got to get back in that kitchen. I have two aprons that were passed along to me from somebody at some time from somewhere. I don't know when or where, but they both are really sweet aprons, mainly because they have chicken scratch. Chicken scratch is a form of embroidery. It is cross stitch, but you do it on gingham fabric, and you use the gingham squares like you would cross stitch fabric. So let me show you close up what these look like. Isn't that amazing? Someone took all this time to do this. And in this one, they've got cutaway places. Just gorgeous. That took a lot of time. I have another one here that I really like because I like the way it's done at the top. It has little tucks at the top, and those are also sewn. And then the chicken scratch here is medallions. Yeah. So, yeah, it's a pleasure to get those out at various times of the year and wear them. I think I'm going to wear this one. So I've got to get back in the kitchen and get going. So happy Thanksgiving, and never forget that I appreciate you so much. I'll see you tomorrow for Friday Sews.